Okay, this is a figure of data. या फिगर मध्ये टोटल 7 फिगर आहेत. वेगवेगळे डेटा फॉर्मॅट्स आहेत. फर्स्ट पहिली ए फिगर आहे, शॉर्ट फॉर्म फिक्स्ड पॉइंट which is 16 bit. Out of this 16 bit, 0 to 1, the first bit is a sign bit. This bit is a sign bit, and remaining for fixed point remaining 15 bits, 1 to 15. These are 15 bits for the fixed point format, and 0 to 1, this first bit, that is 0th bit. 0th bit is a sign bit. Then in figure B, same long form fixed point, that is which is 32 bit, that is full word. This is the full word. And short form fixed bit, short form fixed point, which is a half word. So out of these 32 bit, 0th bit is a signed bit, and remaining is a data 1 to 31. Then in figure C is 32-bit word, that is a decimal packed bit. Out of them first 4 bits, that is 0 to 3, हे डेसिमल असणार आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर 4 to 7 हे 4 पॉइंट्स डेसिमल साठी असणार आहेत. टोटल 8 बीट, 0 to 3 आणि 4 to 7, टोटल 8 बीट हे डेसिमल साठी आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर फ्रॉम 8 to 23, 8 to 23, that is 16 बीट हा डेटा असणार आहे, which is stored in binary form. Then 4 bits for data, and last 4 bits for sign. This is a decimal packed data. This is a registers or data format for a decimal packed data. Then for unpacked data, first first 4 bits, that is 0 to 3, is zone zone code. These 4 bits for zone code. Then 4 to 7 decimal point. Then 8 to 11, this next 4 for again zone code 4 bits. Then 12 to 15, these 4 bits for again decimal digits. Then next 8 bits for actual data. Then next 4 bits for sign, and next data for digits, decimal digits. Similarly, we can store the data, that is a shorter form floating point, long form floating point, and logical characters. डेटा स्टोरिंग फॉर्मॅट समजलंय का? शॉर्ट फॉर्म फिक्स्ड पॉइंट याच्यामध्ये 0 to 1 or 0th bit is for assigned bit and remaining for data. लॉंग फॉर्म फिक्स्ड पॉइंट मध्ये 0th bit हे साइंड असणार आहे, रिमेनिंग फॉर इंटिजर. दिस इज 32 bit, that is full word. Then decimal packed, here total 12 bits for a decimal packed. First 8 bits for a decimal data, that is out of them 4 bits for decimal, again 4 bits for a decimal, then 16 bits to a decimal digit, then next 4 bits for decimal, again last 4 bits for a decimal. So we have taken the example of IBM 360. So in this example, the data store is several different types of data as shown in this figure. So the groups of bits are stored in memory interrupted by 360 processor in several ways. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे डेटा स्टोअर केला जाऊ शकतो. If 360 interprets the contents of 2 bytes, for example, as shown in this figure A, this is data 2 bytes integer, that is total 16 bit. So it interprets first bit as a sign bit, and remaining 15 bits, that is binary digits, as shown like this. We can store this data. So remaining 15 bits, first bit is, this is first bit is a sign bit, and remaining bits for storing data like this. Suppose data is stored like this, is 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 0 1, then 0 0 1 0, then 1 1 0 1. So these are 16 bit, that is this is a 0th bit, then this is first, second, third, up to this is a 15th bit. So this first bit, this that is a 0th bit, indicates a sign bit, that is if 0 sign indicates it is a plus, if it is 1 then it is minus. So remaining these bits, so data is stored like this. Then 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 11, then 12 13, 14, and 15. So whenever we can convert this data is in binary format. So whenever we can convert this data in a decimal format, then it should look like this. uh, Decimal, binary to decimal conversion. So here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, then 64, then 128, and then 256. So 256 plus 32 plus 15, we get 3, 0. Then so we get a plus 33 plus 303. This is decimal format of this given format. When it is convert in octal, it gives another format, but zeroth bit is always known as a sign bit. Okay, whether it is a 0, then it is positive, whether it is 1, then it is negative. Okay. So if 360 IBM 360 machine interrupts contents of 2 byte data, see in figure B or figure C, it is 2 byte data. In figure B also for 2 byte 1 byte data. Figure C is a 2 byte data. So it would interrupt first byte as two BCD coded digits, that is binary BCD coded digits. Then first 4 bits of the second byte, first 4 bits of the second bytes as BCD digit, and last 4 bytes for a sign. In this first byte, it is BCD coded digits. Then last bytes, out of them, first byte is again BCD coded digit, and last 4 bytes for sign. Suppose data is given look like this: 4 times 0, then 2 times 0, 1 0, then 3 times 0, 1, then 2 times 1, then 0 1, is interrupted as a decimal number. This indicates last 4 byte is the sign. Here 1 addition is of this is 1, so it is negative. Then this 4 0 indicates 0, then this 4 indicates a 2, then uh, Deol madam, and this is 1. This 4 0 indicates 0, then this value is 2, then this value is 1, and this last is a 0. Last indicates a sign, and sign here odd numbers of 1. Addition of this is the 11. So again you will get 1. So here sign is negative. So all data and instructions are physically stored in sequence of binary ones and झिरो. जो काही डेटा आहे फिजिकली हा झिरो आणि वन फॉर्मॅट मध्ये स्टोअर केला जातो. सो the 16-bit fixed point half word with decimal value is plus 300 would be stored in binary format as. So in case of half word, that is here as shown in figure A, this is half word, that is a short form fixed point. So here for storing that decimal value is plus 300 would be stored in decimal format like this. So first convert this 300 decimal to binary, and in 16 digit format it should be look like this: 4 times 0, then 3 times 0 1, then 2 times 0 1 0, then 2 times 1 2 times 0. So here out of these 16 bits, so zeroth bit is 0, and whenever zeroth bit is 0 then it is positive, otherwise it is a negative. So it can be shown look like this. So for convenience, binary numbers are usually written in hexadecimals. For our understanding, आपल्या समजण्यासाठी बायनरी डिजिट हे हेक्साडेसिमल फॉर्मॅट बेस 16 च्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये लिहिलेले जातात. आता you have learned how to convert binary to hexadecimal, decimal to hexadecimal, and so on. There is number conversions. So every hexadecimal unit or every hexadecimal digit can be replaced by exactly 4 decimal digits, and vice versa. You should know how to convert binary to hexadecimal. There is a combination of 4 bits from right to left, from right side to left side. Here example is given as this is a binary format, that is first from right side. So you should know the hexadecimal conversion 0 to 9, and after 9 there is A, B, C, D, E and F. So what is the value of what is the value of 1100 in binary format? So in hexadecimal it is value of C. In binary format, 0010, that is the value of 2. Then triple one, triple zero, then 1, then it is value of 1. Then 4 times 0, it is 0. So for the convenience, we should we should have to write the binary values in hexadecimal format. So while writing the data in hexadecimal format, we should write base as a 16. So here prefix we have used in previous example, that is b and x, b for binary and x for hexadecimal. So here prefix x and b indicates mode of the representation, that is binary or hexadecimal. So fixed point numbers may be stored either half word or full word. Here, see in figure A. Figure A is a data storing with half word. Figure B indicates data storing in full word. So the machine IBM 360 machine allow करते हैं to store the numbers in decimal format as the system IBM 360 allows to store numbers in decimal format as shown in figure C and D. See here figure C and D, that is the
स्क्रीन
number.
दिसत नाही सर.
स्क्रीन दिसतच नाही का? एक मिनिट. आता दिसते. हम्म.
हो.
सुरुवातीपासून दिसत होती ना मॅडम? हॅलो.
दिसत होती.
हा झालाय, हा झालाय पार्ट, हा झालाय. हा पार्ट होता, स्क्रीन दिसत होती का या पार्टला? हॅलो.
हो.
या पार्टला स्क्रीन
हो.
दिसली. ओके. आता figure 360. The system 360 allows to store the numbers in decimal format, that is decimal packed and decimal unpacked. So that is the number may be stored as binary numbers but in a format closely approximating the decimal representation. For example, the number 12 could appear in 1 byte, whether first 4 bits could contain a decimal value 1 and decimal 1, and next decimal is 2, that is next 4 bits. First 4 bits contains a 0001 for 1, then for a decimal 2 is 0010. So these decimal formats are useful for business data processing. So these IBM 360 machine allows floating point numbers, that is logical data, character string. So as shown in figure G, this is the character strings from 0 to 7, that is these 8 bits. Then again next character string 8 to 15 and so on. These character codes are 8 bits. So these are represented memory as shown in this figure. So there are instructions to operate all these types of data. Whenever figure E and figure F are related to floating point data. So for these figure E and figure F, this figure E is 32 bit and figure F is 34 bit. Out of them, so 0th bit for both figures, 0th bit for signature bit or sign bit, then 1 to 7, these 7 bits for characters, then remaining bits for the fractions. Then see the figure as instruction formats. So these instruction formats up to 6 bytes. So some formats instructions may be 2 bytes, some instructions may be 4 bytes, some instruction may be 6 bytes. So in 2 byte instruction, see figure carefully. See in this figure, there are some instruction of 2 byte. In 2 bytes, first 8 bits, that is, these are the reserved registers for operations. Then next 8 bits, out of them, first 4 bits for a register 1 and next 4 bits for a register 2. So to store operands in this register R1 and the register R2, and using the first 8 bits, that is operation code. OP is operation code, that is these 8 registers are reserved registers to perform specific operations on the data which are stored in registers R1 and R2. Then next instruction may be 4 byte instructions. In 4 byte instructions, first 8 bits for operation code, next 4 bits for register operand 1, that is storing a value at register 1. Then next 4 bits for a register x2, register x2 which contains a general register used as index. Then a register b2 which is a general register as a base register, and a register d2 is a displacement register, and from x2, x b2 and d2, these three registers which stores the value of operand 2. Then we perform the particular operations on the stored value at register 1 and a stored value at x2, b2 and d2. Total 3 register stores a particular value. Then next 4 bytes operation. So 4 bytes instruction is first 8 bits for operation code, then next 4 bits for register 1, next 4 bits for register 3, and register 2 contains the combination of base and a displacement. Similarly, next uh, 32 bit instruction, that is 4 byte instruction, that is 0 to 7 is operation code. So here first 4 bytes is indicates Rx. So Rx is a register at index. Rs is general register as store, then stack index SI, then storage to storage, that is SS. So this SI stack index register first 8 bits for operation code, then next 8 bits for immediate operand, randomly taken operand or any value, and then next 16 bits for storage operand, then data format for a 16 byte, sorry, 6 bytes. Out of them, first 8 bits to operation code, then next 8 bit for length storing, then next 4 bits for base index, then next 12 bits for displacement, then next 4 bits for base registers and base register second. This is B1 for base register first, B2 for base register 2. Similarly, D1 for displacement first and D2 for displacement second. These are the instructions formats which are used in IBM 360 machine. So whatever the instruction format used in IBM 360 machine, they have used for arithmetic, logic, control or transfer and special interrupt instructions. There are 5 different types of instructions we have seen. So operand, register operands refer data store one of the 60 general registers, which is 32 byte. Each general register have 32 byte long, or storing capacity is 32 bit, 4 byte long. So which are addressed by 4 bit field in the instructions. Since registers are usually constructed high speed circuitry, they provide faster access the data than it does not than it core storage. So it registers store data accessed is faster as compared to other. So here we'll take one example, add a register 3 4. So here add is operation we have done. Here register to register format we have taken. So in R1 we have stored a value 3 in binary format, that is 0011. Then in register R2 we have stored a value 00 uh, 0100. Value of 4 is stored. So whenever the addition is done of these two registers, or a value containing these two registers, so it causes the contents of the general register 4, which is 32 bit, and should be added the contents of general register 3, which contains 32 bits, and the resulting sum will be left in general register. The result of this addition uh, value, result of this addition register R1 and register R2. So result of this stored in register 1. So storage operand refers data stored in core memory and the length of this operand depends on specific data type. Length of this operand is a specific data type. So operand data field that longer than 1 byte are specified by address of the lowest byte address logically left most. So operand data fields are longer than 1 byte. Here operand data we have taken as 8 bit, 1 byte, that is 8 bit, which is specified by address of lowest address byte. Here lowest address byte, that is 4 bit, that is we have taken a leftmost bits. So for example we have taken another example here, the 32-bit binary fixed point full word with the value of 267. Suppose plus 267, we should have to store the value in the 4 byte address of this. So plus, whenever there for plus, that is here data is 4 byte data, so there is 8 bits. So for plus, whenever there is plus sign, it indicates by 0. So for plus sign, here 8 times 0. Then combination of convert into this in hexadecimal format as it is in 5 times 0 1 0. Then b, value of b is here 10 11 is the value of b, then value of 0 is here 0, then here value of 1 is 3 times 1, then 1, 3 times 0, then 1, then next value of 5 times 0, this is first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and 5 times. So what is the byte address? So 1 byte is the 8 bits, so combination of 8 bits address is same. So 1016, this address for first byte, then 1017 address for second byte, 1018 address for third byte, and 1019 is the address for next byte. So address of ith storage operand is computed from the instructions followed. In this way we can calculate address of any storage operand with this format, that is a register hexadecimal format. So it is base address. So C of BI and C of XI denotes contains a general register base address and hexadecimal base address. So contents of general registers, binary address and hexadecimal address. If xi is equal to 0, if xi equal to 0, then contents of xi will be treated as 0. Likewise, for bi is equal to 0, contents of bi is also equal to 0. We'll take a next example. So we assume that a general registers of 5 contains, there are 5 general register numbers which contains the number 1000 with this instruction format. So first convert 1000 in hexadecimal format. Then these data stored in 4 bytes as 5 different registers, such as first byte for opcode, then next 4 byte for register 1, then next 4 byte for hexadecimal formats, then base binary format, and then decimal format. Okay, it causes the contents of word, that is 32 bit located at the address as a C of B2 plus C of X2 plus a D2. So base here 5, here C of 5 plus C of X2, X2 here 0, so C of X2 0, then D2 here D2 is 16, so 16. So value of C of 5 is 1000 plus C of 0 is equal to 0, then 16, then the address for these contents is 1016. So to be added the contents of the general register 3, that is 32 bit, with resulting the sum of left in general register. Then we should take a next example for 6 bytes, which contains of 5 registers. This is L1, L, B1, D1, B2, and D2. These 5 registers, and value is stored as 1000. So we'll take this example in next lecture. Due to emergency work, I am unable to conduct this lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay.
Write your roll number in chat box. If you have any query, then ask. Otherwise, leave the session.